Right? Like even if you made some new technology, like you made a new kind of phone, but you knew that if you put it in water, it blows up. You're gonna warn people like, yo, don't put it in water, right?
Yeah.
I got you. But I mean, I'm saying like even back in my old days, like I was caught up in life, but I believe there was a God.
Yeah.
Like sometime when you get a hardship, you pray to one God above, right? That's the Muslim belief, right? You got that already. It's like a natural connection with God.
Yeah.
Like it's not like man-made, like oh, God's a man, God's a monkey, God's a cow. It's that pure belief, right? So when you, in your heart, you know there is a God. You don't think there's like no God, right?
Yeah, I definitely believe in like a higher power.
All right, cool. There you go, right? So you think that higher power would send us some kind of guidance, like how to live, right? Think about it. Like if you made a new creation, and some of them were like abortion's good, and some are like no, it's bad, right? You would have to give some kind of guidance how to live, right? Right? Like even if you made some new technology, like you made a new kind of phone, but you knew that if you put it in water, it blows up. You're gonna warn people like, yo, don't put it in water, right?
Yeah.
So in that way, our Creator would be more intelligent, the higher power that you already believe in. They would be more intelligent than us. So He would give us some kind of instruction. Hey, don't kill people, don't steal, right? That makes sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we as Muslims believe that, right? We believe that higher power, He sent guidance, like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad, peace be upon all of them.
Back a little bit.
Go back a little bit, yeah? So,
Yeah.
all of those prophets, they brought the same message.
Right.
Worship one God. Don't worship the creation. Don't kill people. Don't steal. So that's one universal message. You believe that?
Yeah, I definitely believe in morals. Yeah.
There you go.
Not the Quran, bro. So
There you go.
take a look at it, but my God, very nice to meet you. Evan, right?
Yeah, Evan.
My God, bro. Take it easy, bro.
Have a good one.
bless.
Read up. If you got questions, come back, yeah? Have a good one.
He's with the...
You believe in one God or three?
Not three. One.
Not three, exactly, man. We believe in one God, right? That's beautiful. And you believe that God sent prophets, right? Like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad. Those are prophets. You already got the Muslim belief right there, bro. You got it. All right, we're going to do your testimony. You're going to be a Muslim today, all right? Say, I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is none worthy of worship.
There is none worthy of worship
Except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness
That Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the servant
says that.
and messenger of Allah. And
And
messenger of Allah. Allahu Akbar. Muslim, bro. We'll do Arabic now. Say it with me. Be a part of the da'wah team. Like, subscribe, share, comment. You got to do your part. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha. You said it excellent. Illallah.
illallah
Wa?
illallah
Yeah. Wa?
wa
Ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammad
abdahu
abdah
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Give me that, brother. Listen, you got the Quran. Can you give him the address to the close masjid to wherever he's at?